Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, on the Kiwi dollar, we had this nice big impulsive move up over the last couple of days, likely the end of a pullback on like the 4 hour and daily time frame, which is good news because the monthly is up, the daily is up, and the weekly is all up. When all your higher time frames are up, you definitely want to be trading with the trend. That means that I have my Fibonacci retracement on this last move up right here. I'm waiting patiently for a decent pullback, maybe like a 38, anywheres between 38 and 78%. Now, what I want to see is I want to see something like this. I want to see a decent three-way pullback. I want to see a nice little A, B, C correction. And then I want to see a nice engulfing move to the upside at one of these four Fibonacci levels. I think because of the Fib levels and looking at support and resistance areas, the 61% definitely looks like a good area. 38% could possibly be a good area. So definitely keeping an eye on my Fib levels. Three-way pullbacks, engulfing moves up at Fibonacci levels is exactly what I want to see for more entries to go long. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to take a look at my website, FX Pip Collector, and my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.